Join with using and on clause. In this lesson, we are going to discuss some more types of joins. Now we will see how to join tables with using clause and on clause. Using clause is used to join the tables where the column in both tables shares the same name. Here, the join operation is carried out in these two tables according to the values in these two columns. The columns listed in the using clause cannot have any qualifiers in the statement and should not include the where clause. This means we can't select the values of these two columns in output, and we can't use these columns in the where clause. Let's see this statement. Select S student ID, S name, S department ID, D department name from student S department D, where S department ID equals D department ID. We have used the equality operator to join two tables, so the result of this statement is displayed as student roll number, name, department number, and department name. Now we will write the same statement with the using clause. Type this. Select student name, department, department name, from student, inner join, department, using department ID, and press enter. In this statement, we have selected the student name and department from the tables student and department. Here we have used the using clause with inner join, so it displays the student name and corresponding department of that student. We did not select the values from the column which is unique in both these two tables. Now we will see the on clause in join operation. The on clause is used to join tables where the column names in those tables do not match. Here is an example. Let's type the statement like this. Select D department name, E city, from departments D, join locations E, on D location ID equals E ID, and press enter. In this statement, we have used the on clause in the join operation, and we have used different column names in the on clause. The location column in the departments table is stored as location ID, and in the locations table it is stored as ID. So the result of this statement shows the department name and location. I hope you now understand the usage of joins with the using and the on clause. In the next lesson, we will discuss the outer join in detail.